Hi, it's Mike again. I want to take a minute and talk to you about how Marathon is geared up for all your gear and power transmission needs. Whether it's a simple coupling or timing pulleys, it's a pretty cool one. We make a bunch of those. Sprockets, cool sprocket, a double sprocket, the hub, dryer chain sprockets. Big gears, little gears, brass gears, steel gears, bevel gears, spur gears, helical gears, worm gears, miter gears. A lot of different types of gears in these machines. And we spent the last 3.5 years, 4 years documenting, I'd like to think all of them. But every time we think we got them all, somebody sends us something like this and asks us to make, one of these, which is no problem. We'll figure it out. It's one more part we get to figure out. Sooner or later, that's what I tell Mike Foy all the time. Don't worry, Mike. There's machines, it's a finite number of parts. There's a lot of machines and a lot of parts. So we're whittling through them pretty good. If you have any needs, check marathonparts.net. We haven't had time to put all the parts on there, so if you don't see it, give Mike a call. I plan on trying to block out a little time this month to try to get another 500,000 parts loaded on each of the American and German equipment. If you need anything, keep us in mind, please. Please subscribe to Marathon Precision on YouTube. If you have any questions or any needs, give myself, Mike Foy, Little Mike, Kevin a call. Look forward to it. Thanks. If you have any samples you want us to document, send them in. Thanks again.